was a little hot too.
Out of what?
Out of that Trans Am. Ain't that plug warm?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, he don't need it.
Yeah, he ain't need it. He don't need that. Dang. Knock the plug out.
Oh, that's funny.
Fuck it. Get what you need.
Oh, he's spinning. You better stop. Please stop. Stop. Damn. Okay. I don't even know how he made that top spin that long.
Hell yeah. John Force was in the house.
Look out, look out. Hey, oh snap, y'all. I just seen the video down, so you gonna like that video. I'm gonna go live and put it up. And I was shouting you out probably about 5 times.
Today?
Now on the drone video.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put it up because it didn't go live. See, I got everything on the phone. It's gonna be still good. Oh, snap. Okay. What it do, man?
John Force in the house.
Yeah, he was spinning.
Eventually, it's gonna get on the wrong way. Somebody's gonna hit the fucking.
You like that, Brian?
Bacon wrapped Oreos on the smoker.
Bacon wrapped Oreos?
Yeah,
what
on
is
the
it?
smoker. I'm gonna try to make it. I saw it online. I don't know if you ever had it before.
I ain't never. Who gonna make? That's you.
I'm gonna try it.
A bacon wrap. Or anybody on here had a bacon wrapped Oreo? Oh, my charger.
On the smoker.
I keep forgetting to get my charger, y'all. This thing gonna cut off in y'all face.
Daisy, you never tried one?
I ain't where my charger at. Oh, he finna. Alright. Oh, don't ring.
Right here.
I know better.
That wall's begging for his life right now.
Boy, don't do it, baby. I'm finna see. Uh-oh, there it go. There it go. There it go. Alright, there it go. There it come. Oh. Thought he was gonna do it. He almost did it. We got Brisha in the building, y'all. Hi, girl. Alrighty, guys, in the right lane, we have R&R Performance. Place built by Roddy. Hey, what's going on, mister? Got a F-150 LS swap. not
be
just
cooked
have
for
that.
long.
Let's have something else to go with it,
Oh,
though.
no. I'm just, that's an experiment. Other
Yeah.
than that, it's gonna be
What
rice
else we
with
gonna
chicken
have?
and
We're gonna get some
pulled pork.
chicken and some pulled pork.
Yeah.
You know how to pull that pork, right?
Bro.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
It's gonna be cooking all day long.
What breach is?
I need something I can cook quick, and then I need something I can like cook.
Uh-oh.
Maybe have some pulled pork sandwiches. Think about some those bacon wrapped jalapenos too. Man.
Bacon wrap jalapeno. I eat jalapenos and bacon. I've been forgetting to get I've been forgetting to get bacon on my pizza, man. I used to. Oreo too sweet for any meat. Monster in the left lane. Left lane usually don't spin out. Okay, got this nice,
Yeah, that beautiful 1992 Mustang Fox body. Oh yeah, dude, with the bubble hood and the green lights. This thing is a beast. Painted emerald green. Oh yeah, it has a turbo on it. Him and his buddy done it in their garage. Oh yeah, man, this thing rocks, man. Yeah, him and his other buddy did the suspension.